National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Grayson County in north central Texas, northern Holland County in north central Texas, northeastern Denton County in north central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Creegerville, or 9 miles northeast of Denton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Frisco, Denton, Sherman, Ruel, Prosper, Anna, Saline, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Shady Shores, Howell, Aubrey, Creegerville, Whitelight, Crossroads, Gunter, Bells, Tombine and Savoy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central Texas.